Hello everyone, it's Geisha. Welcome back. Today's video is for you, subscribers to my channel. I'm pleased to have reached the 250 subscribers milestone. And in fact, I think it's close to 270 by now. And as a thank you for being here, supporting my channel, watching my videos, I'll be giving away this journal to one of you. So the giveaway is open to subscribers everywhere. To enter, you must be a subscriber and leave a comment below this video if you like to receive this journal. In 10 days or so, I will be doing the draw to see who will I be sending this journal to. And for me to know that you are a subscriber, you may need to have your subscription settings public. If it's not public, I wouldn't know if you are a subscriber. And all you have to do is to go to your YouTube icon, which is at the top right of in the YouTube channel, and then click on the YouTube Studio. And then on the left side you will find the settings icon, and you click on that, and then under there you will find the privacy button, and you click on that, and then it will bring you to the privacy setting of your subscriptions. And you need to make it public, which it will be gray. And you can always put it back on private after the draw. All right, let's have a look at this journal. The cover is made from some sort of upholstery or drapery fabric. And I've sewed a doily on it, pieces of a doily, some band, some jute with this lace or band that I also use as a closure. And it has the word dream on a plate that is fastened with brads. I've got a dangle and one of my boho beads on here, and they can be removed if you want to. And one of the book plates. So the inside fabric is one of my eco-dye prints that I did. And it has a pen pocket, 2 pockets. This is the backboard that goes in it. This is a board that you put behind a page if you want to write, so that the bulk of another page isn't in the way and you can write on every page this way. So that comes with it. And the journal fits under one of the elastics. And you can see the bulk. It can go out of the way here. And another pocket over here. The cover of the journal is one of my collaged digits that I did. These are flowers from my garden. This is a dried stem that came in a bouquet that I dried. The inside is a paler version of the front. So you have quite a bit of writing space in here. And pockets with something in it. Paperclip pen holder. I didn't really care for this paper, it'd be all white, so I painted it with thinned acrylic paint with some metallic paint in it, so it has some shine to it. And I put 2 pockets on it. This is one of the pockets I did not so long ago on one of my videos, how to do that. And I added some trim on the side. I like to have the fuzziness on the outside, and I did it 4 times. And on each of them, I put a dangle, a flower, a tree, a bee, and a butterfly. So here you have another pocket. So here I made an arrangement of some trapped dried flowers. I thought that was kind of neat, and then I added this as a stem. I thought it gives a little bit more interest to the page. And I like that this page was behind it, so that it has kind of a landscapey feel through it. This is the same digital collage I did, but then in a blue version. Writing space, a book page, a dictionary page with a corner pocket. What I like to do is when I have a pocket on a page, I usually do on both sides, because that way with the backboard if I can get it out. And when you write on this page, there's no obstruction. If I would want to write on here, you'd have the pocket here, right? Although this is quite thin, so that's not so bad. But this here is quite thick, and it will interfere with writing. So I always like to have all the bulk on one page and then a complete page, or more than one, with nothing on it. This one only has a trim on it, sewing pattern, another page for writing, and at last minute I added this envelope. It has a pocket here, and it has a paperclip embellishment here, tracing paper, doily, this is packaging paper, another writing space, ledger paper, a map. I always include some sort of a map. This is from Manitoba, a part of it anyways. And the center has like fabric pockets. So this is a library pocket I made, but this is a genuine library card from my local library, and also this here is from my local library. Tea bag, one of my favorite teas, with a little journaling card in it. Empty page. Of course, this is the reverse of what we saw before. Other side of the envelope. The pocket with a coin envelope in here. Not all pockets are full, but I will be sending off some things with it. This is a full page pocket. Journaling on the back. This way a page is not wasted. I do try to add things where you can write in if a page has no writing opportunity. Like here, you know, I cover part of the page, and so then I add something to it where you can write on again. Another pocket. Two more of those pockets. Tea tag. All right. So that was the flip through, and if you like this journal, please be a subscriber. Leave a comment, otherwise I wouldn't know if you want it. And in 10 days time, I will, I have to look at what day that is. Let me have a look. So it's the 30th of November, well, December 10. So I will be doing the draw on December the 10th. So it'll give you 10 days to have a look and see if you'd want it. So in 10 days, I will pick a winner. I'm going to use the YouTube comment picker, I think. And if that doesn't work, I will put them all in a hat and draw from there. And we'll see how it goes. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. Thank you for being a subscriber and watching the videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.